Do you eat pork?
Chinese restaurant.
I used to.
Oh, now you don't.
Baby! Mommy, hold mommy hands. Let's go. There's some kind of rotonda. Guys, let's go. We're going to eat. This is our first night here. Okay, how can it work? How it work? Just touch. This is the stoplights here. Both. Baby, don't run. Hold daddy hands. Hold daddy hands. We're finding a place to eat, guys. I don't know where our Malaysian friend bring us.
Hey, do not play with the spoon.
Oh, Sophia is angry.
Eugene, don't play with the spoon.
So guys, ang aming first night, kasi kakarating lang namin, nagpahinga lang ng 30 minutes, tapos dito kami kakain sa Muslim Indian restaurant. Guys, waiting kami ng dragon. May dadaan daw dito ng dragon. So guys, ayan, may nagpe-perform na Asian Chinese culture. Yun ang kanilang theme. So ayan, sobrang liwanag, pangit ng camera ko. Baby, let's go! Baby! No, it takes a long time. So guys, ito, bibili kami ng tubig. Pero may tubig naman sa hotel, pero bibili daw si Hapon. So guys, ito day 2 na namin, pero kaming dalawa lang ni baby ang ngayon kasi ang aking asawa ay nag-fishing. So yun ang pinunta talaga namin dito is mag-fishing. Kaya kami lang naiwan ni baby. So nahiya naman ako ayain yung asawa ng friend ni Hapon. So kami lang ni baby. Yan, gagala na rin kami dito sa dito lang sa paligid ng tinitira namin. So ito ang aming pagkain, noodles at dumplings. So guys, naka-check-in nga pala kami dito sa Chinatown dito sa Penang. So puro mga temple, ayan, ang ganda ng temple dito. Saka daming siya, tourist attraction na rin ito. Ang place na to, kaya maganda yung dito kami na tumuloy. So tara, samahan nyo kami na igala ng kaunti. Kami lang dalawa muna ni baby, bukas na yung aking asawa. Kasi nasa fishing sila ngayon. So this is the place, you guys, around our hotel. Oh, we cannot pass there. There's so many things. You want to ride this kind of car? What is this car? Look at that. Oh, it's a bicycle. So many temple here. It's like in Taiwan. Yeah. Guys, this is around our place. Kami lang ni baby nandito ngayon. Ang daming souvenirs. Are you okay? Baby, look at that. What is that walking? The mascot. Oh, this is so nice. I think this is the back of our hotel. Look at that, guys. Yeah, this is the back of our hotel. Okay. Umbrella. Wow, oh my god. It's a Pikachu cup. What's that? What's that? I hold it. You want to take a picture? No. It's Mario. Take a picture with Mario. Scared? You want to go. Picture with Mario. Mario! Take a picture. You scared? Why? Look at that, Daddy Eugene bought ice cream. Oh, thank you. It's a homemade. You take a picture there. Baby, wait. Eat. How is it? How is it? Good?
Yeah, good.
You like it?
Yeah.
What's the flavor?
Chocolate and strawberry.
Oh. Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, eat faster. It will melt later. Look. Let's go back. It's so hot. Baby, let's go back. No, it's not free. It's not like Mario give you.
They have every state and
Welcome to Penang. This is a Chinatown in Penang. So, let's go, guys. At night may nagpe-perform dyan. So many temple here. Guys, hindi ko alam kung magano dito ang renta. Maganda. It's a tricycle. Look at so many temple around here. Baby, come here. Let's go first to the umbrella. There is the umbrella. Here. You want here? Sit down. Take a picture. Daddy. Let's go. To the stars here. No Mario. Last time about Mario here. Do you want the ice cream, baby?
Oh, you want ice cream?
That's yesterday. Yeah. I think there's a way here. I saw the exit from our Go, huh? Go, Eugene. Hold Eugene's hands.
It's Mario. Mario. Hello. Eugene. It's Mario. You scared? Why? Mario will give you a balloon. No. Look at this guy. It's like a old. It's a bicycle. Old bicycle. Souvenirs. Baby. Oh, Baba. Hugo, I want a picture. It's okay, my love. That's good. Baby, be careful. Look at that motorcycle. Oh, it's a dragon. Look. Baby, take a picture with the dragon. No, it's not. Come, go take a picture with the dragon. Si Eugene is scared. You don't want, baby? Take a picture. You don't want. The mascot. Oh, baby bicycle. Like, guys, so many souvenirs around here. Trust. Hi. I love this. Baby, I take you a picture. Guys, what is this place? But have an entrance. We cannot go inside. I don't know how much. Okay. Okay, let's go. The 70 ice balls. Armenian street. So guys, we ordered this one, ice scotch. Different kind of tea. Oh, it's a bee. Oh no. Bee. Because it's sweet. Look, look. They're getting a sweet so strawberry. They're at Sindol. Wow, this is our ice curtain. Beautiful. Let's eat ice curtain.
Noodles.
Yes, eat. It's
No.
a noodle. Noodles. It's in doll. Not noodles. Let's try it. Let's try it. Ice kacang.
So guys, ito pa uwi na kami. Pabalik na ng KL. So wala kami imik dito. Siyempre nahiya ako, nakikisakay lang kami.
Hey, don't do that.